Where's the fuse box in the 2022 Toyota Prius Prime, and what does the diagram illustrate? It's under the driver's dashboard, with diagrams showing fuse positions and functions clearly. Engine compartment Type A and Type B fuse box. The Type A fuse box in the engine compartment of the 2022 Toyota Prius Prime handles key functions like headlights, ignition, and fan circuits. Type B controls secondary systems, including sensors and additional electronics, providing layered protection and easy access for maintenance. Left side instrument panel. The left side instrument panel in the 2022 Toyota Prius Prime features controls for the headlights, fog lights, and turn signals, allowing for convenient operation. It also houses the mirror adjustment switch and some dashboard indicators. Additionally, it provides access to fuses related to interior functions, enhancing user accessibility and convenience. The 2022 Toyota Prius Prime's fuse box diagram helps troubleshoot lights and audio systems. The 2022 Toyota Prius Prime's relay box diagram shows relay locations, aiding maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on 2023 Ford Maverick fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.